Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the tracker so it will communicate reliably. First, insert a data plus SMS SIM with GPRS enabled and remove any PIN. This lets the device register to the network. Once done, charge the GF07 to at least 50% so it won't die during setup. Next, press and hold the SOS/power button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED blinks. This boots the unit. Make sure you hear or see the network register, and note the device ID printed on the label. You now configure how the GF07 reports location. First, send the admin SMS format to the device to set your phone as the administrator. This gives you control and authorization. If the device fails to connect for live tracking, explicitly set the APN with the APN command that matches your SIM carrier. This ensures GPRS works. Once the network and admin are set, enable periodic or real-time tracking by sending the tracker command or by pairing with the mobile app. This makes location data flow to your phone or server. You finish by testing the whole setup to confirm reliable tracking. Request a location via SMS or open the app live view, verify the returned coordinates on a map, and check the device status. Then mount the GF07 securely with the GPS face unobstructed and away from heavy metal or thick cases, and enable desired reporting intervals. If you encounter no GPS fix, reboot the unit, move it outdoors with clear sky view, and wait 2 to 5 minutes. That resolves most signal and initialization problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.